So I'm getting ready to go to this event in Miami for bloggers or YouTubers or whatever it's called. So I'm gonna take you guys with me today. Oh, looking a little bit crusty. Let me go shower and I'll be back. So I just got to the beach. I'm almost to the hotel. I think I'm about 10 minutes away. So yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me on this little journey right quick. I just finished the blogging event. It was so cool. Got to meet some people, even people for the hotel, which was nice. Getting some stuff to take back with us. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys with me on this day through Walmizzy.
Who calls it that?
I do. This is why it's so hard to be skinny in America.
Also beauty, I can hardly wait.
So today is my mom's birthday and we are headed to Naples early in the morning because she wants to do some shopping. It's her birthday, let her do what she wants. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take you guys along the ride. And I've never been to Naples before, so this should be interesting. So sad to be leaving home.
I'm here to visit the customer, bright on baby, water.